There's two types of chickens that need seasoning: boneless, skinless, and bone-in, skin-on. If it's boneless, skinless, you basically just season it like you would any other meat. Whatever your favorite flavoring is, and to taste, you put the seasoning on, let it sit on there and, sort of dry marinate, I guess you would, for 45 minutes or so, and hit the grill. You're good to go. Now, it's a little bit different when you're talking bone-in, skin-on, whether it's pieces or a whole chicken. You do them the same way for either of those two, okay? And basically the difference is the skin, really, more than anything. The skin, you want to make sure it's basically impenetrable by the seasoning. So if you want your chicken to taste good, not just your chicken skin to taste good, you need to make sure to rub seasoning underneath the skin. Once that's done, the skin is going to be sort of bunched up and ruffled to one side of your chicken. So you also want to make sure to pull it. It's basically a protective cover during cooking, and if not, it basically gets soggy. And if you came here to make really good chicken, the way that I like to do it is to take my seasonings and blend it into a paste with a little butter, olive oil, and lemon juice. And now you spread that underneath the skin. Now you have great chicken.